off another adventure.
Yeah, buddy.
Been a while.
Serious amount of willpower. Wanted to be a smoker, I guess.
It really feels like cafe here.
Is it ever getting busy?
It'd be nice to have a cafe here. Someone to put your skins on.
Valet skin service? Is that what you're talking about? Valet skin service coming to a mountain near you.
Can I help you?
Okay, I'll do yours. You got 15 bucks? I'll put them on.
Hey, I mean, we just charge bail, right? Just charge bail. Invoice bail. Do you remember, Young?
Like you said, the green one. Here we go. Yeah, this is brutal, this. So high speed skinning here. Barely moving. Sweating already. See, there's the no poles not working. I broke them. Yeah. That was good though, you did alright. And it's all captured in 4K. See if I can do the kick turn this way. With my bad knee. Whoa, no! Oh, dude. I'm stuck. Right like this. Ugh. There, okay. Oh, I was totally stuck there. For what?
To lock the screen.
Oh. Okay, well, I'm just gonna go right here on this guy's track. I'm sure that looked most spectacular.
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh, dude, just beat the
Oh! Oh, dude!
Yeah, man.
Holy!
Wow. Service?
Do you?
Yeah.
Which part is at that rock, eh? I'm good for this, buddy. All right. Up here, this is what it looks like from skier's perspective now. I don't look too bad, dude. 3, 2, 1. Oh! Look what I just hit! It's like a 2 feet deep of snow. Oh, it's beautiful. All right. Successfully navigated the first bit.
Well, of course I'm gonna board slide down
Oh.
the whole thing. Look how steep
Dude,
it is.
I'm gonna slide down the whole thing too.
Yeah, I know. Your friend said don't leave board slide down.
Fuck that.
How am I meant to not board
Well, what's
slide
on this side of the rock? Hang on. Maybe we go down the other side. Well, it's a bit tough, to say the least. But the visibility is really crappy. gonna go for this line. Over here. Oh! Yeah. Oh. Nice work, buddy. You were just gone. Dude, nice work, buddy. A hell of a warm-up lap, eh?
Yeah.
Holy crap.
Yeah.
What'd you do for a warm-up lap? Oh, DOA. This is all Abbey debris.
Yeah.
Yeah, so let's stop right there. Actually, sorry. I think we just go this way. Yeah, like right here is good. A bit steeper. And
so
then
what, we just bomb it out?
And then down through the gully.
Where those people, the three people
Yeah.
are?
Well, or left. It might be easier to go left.
Okay.
That's Lakeside Bowl, right?
Right.
That's the lake they bombed, like they avalanched that. Yep. And that's the lake they killed. That's why it's all like a big crater now. Oh, the snow's nice there. Woo! Whew. Oh, my feet are sore. One run. Brutal. Dude, look up.
Yeah.
That looks really steep.
Doesn't feel it.
No, it wasn't that bad.
Okay, so we're just gonna pin it through there.
Yeah. Or up there, whatever one looks better. The farther right is less, it doesn't matter. track. Successful! Woo! And yeah, we just came down there. DOA. Oh, dude.